Judge Patricia Warner needs to be voted out of office. Joanna Adams, she's unfair. She does not allow you to speak. She does not look at the evidence. She did not take in consideration the harm that she have caused in my life. She didn't think about that when she did it. She didn't look at the evidence. She don't know how she turned my family apart. She don't know the heartache she done caused. I left my children's father, and I couldn't keep a job because of the domestic violence situation that had taken place. And we went back to court, and she took custody from me and gave it to him. And she took our rights. She gave him legal and physical custody. And so that left my kids staying with neighbors and friends. And so I didn't have as much contact with them. I didn't see them as much because he would not allow me to see them. My visitation is not even standard visitation. It's she made up. She told me she ended up just changing a little of the visitation, just giving me more leeway as far as going to the schools, being able to check them out. But I still would have to go. His girlfriend had to not be able to get them before I could pick them up. So I was like the third party as far as when it comes down to my children. I told Patricia Warner that he had changed, his shift has changed back on his job. He was back on nights, and that my kids was not stable where they were staying. She didn't want to hear that. She didn't look at the evidence. She just told me to hush. He's a good man, a hard-working man. She's trying to do the best he can, get over and move on. They ended up closing the case, and I was not aware of they had closed the case. But at the time, I had been having the children really since '08. I've been going over there to where he left them at to get them. But then once she gave me a little bit more leeway, they've been staying with me since then. He does not help me with the kids. He does not buy anything for the kids. He's getting child support and everything, and he's not doing anything for them.
So you are paying child support, because I think that's a point that people really want to know clearly. You are paying child support for children that essentially you are taking care of every day.
Yes. Who am I supposed to turn to? I have no one to turn to. Only thing they say, get back in court. Who I'm going to turn to? Patricia is not the one to go before again and get disappointed. I don't have money or time to be taking off work just for her to tell me get over and move on. And if we continue going through what we're going through, then my kids may end up in her courtroom in juvenile. What is that to tell me? I didn't ask her for anything besides giving me my children back. I don't care about the child support. I just want my family back. Patricia Warner.
Okay.
Have destroyed me and my kids' life. She have taken a part of me as a mother. It made me second guess myself about my own children. I don't know what to do. I don't even know the beginning of healing. It has affected my life tremendously. I don't know where to start. I hurt every day. It don't go away. This pain hurt like if she just snatched them from me. She cannot tell me, can't nobody tell me what's best for my kids. I understand if I was on drugs, I was doing things I shouldn't been doing. I understand all of that. She had no evidence. All I was trying to do is just put them in a better environment so they can have a better life and a stable life and a peaceful life. I've been through domestic violence. I've been through the mental abuse. I've been through all of that. I don't want my kids to go through it. That's why I got out of it. And she just made it the hole deeper than what it was when she put them back in it. Judge Patricia Warner is heartless, cruel, and a woman that just wants power. She's not for children. She's not for families. She's not for peace. She's out to destroy.